Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Nikki's Outdoor Adventures with Dee.
Hello.
And we are at a friend's pond. Sorry about the dogs barking. They don't know us. This is our first time coming here. And it's a really nice looking pond. We just saw a big carp there a few minutes ago. So let's try and catch us a good one.
Shit! Rough terrain, rough terrain. Going over a bank. Oh shit, did you get it?
I don't know. Nope, I got my other fucking line. Damn it.
Damn it. That is exciting. As soon as I looked out, it was bam, that red and white bobber went down.
Oh, this is a mess.
All right, I think she has a bite here. Oh, he's on it, eh?
Damn it.
Damn it. This is awesome.
Got him.
Got him.
Oh, look at that little thing.
We got some bluegill.
That was a hell of a bite on that one.
But this is a fish of the day so far.
First fish of the day. Look at that little feller. Look how cute. God, I gotta check my bait. That was a good bite on that one.
Yeah, it's still on, ain't it? They were biting. Look at the bubbles right there.
I know, I've seen that. I still got him somehow. God, that was a big fish.
Well, I'm happy about getting a fish already.
Yeah. Yeah, that was awesome. I need to get this one fixed. Alright, guys. Really? Stupid shit.
Stick catcher.
The best stick catcher ever.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, here we go, everybody.
Good one.
Look at, he's a lot bigger than the last one.
Come on.
That's a good bluebill. I'd eat that one. What's on his bottom? It's swollen. Did he swallow the hook?
I think he did. Well, I'm gonna cut my hook. I don't want to kill him if I don't have to. He ain't bleeding, so.
Well, here's a knife if you want.
But he's a good one. Look at there.
Give it to little Nikki.
There you go, buddy.
Catch and release.
I don't like to keep them if, well, I mean, I don't like to kill them if I don't have to, unless I'm going to eat them.
That's right. I believe that too.
So I'd rather cut the hook and give him a chance to survive.
Yeah, you might work it out. It might not go to his stomach or nothing.
No, it might not.
What do you think about the pond so far?
I love it.
It's doing good. It's got action in it anyway.
Does. Very impressed with it.
I bet on a big, nice sunny day it'd do better.
I bet. It's been wanting to rain and not rain and rain the whole time we've been here. I'll have to put my shirt back on in a minute. It's not cold, but the rain is a little chilly.
There you go.
Oh, got him. How in the hell did he even get hooked? Through his eye?
Oh my God. Or is it coming out of his knot?
How in the hell did that even happen?
He drove into that motherfucker. Oh, be. Sorry, bud.
That was crazy.
Yeah, God, that looked awful.
Looky there, another bluegill.
Bluegill. That's a pretty fish.
It is. Go on, big guy. That's crazy. I've never seen one get hooked like that.
Yeah, it's weird. It's like he swallowed the bait, but... Or no, it's weird. Like he swam right into that motherfucker.
That's what it looked like.
Is the bait still on the hook?
Yeah.
Yeah, he swam into that son of a bitch.
Poor thing.
He's like, what got me? What got me? Dun, dun, dun.
Hook got you in the eye.
Yeah, bad way to go, fishy. You didn't even get a taste of bait.
He must have been swimming like crazy. Fast.
Just out for his little daily stroll and swam right into a hook.
Yeah.
You know, he was like, shit. He's like, I was just going to hit it to see if it was real.
Oh. Ah.
Missed it. These little fish are hitting it like crazy.
Let's pull that other one in. It's probably tangled up again around itself. That pole's been a real butthole.
Yeah, it really has.
I just went over my other line. Dad blast it.
Oh, that was good though. You didn't pack it with you.
Yeah. Thank goodness. Got it.
You got her?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Looky, looky, another fishy.
Another bluegill. I gotta get a picture of this one, guys. I ain't thought about getting any pictures of my other ones. God almighty.
Hold on. Wrong thing. All right, dude, hold up. There you go. Good picture.
Got him.
You got him.
Oh, he's a decent one.
Now, these bluegill, they fight better than any of them, but he's a big bluegill. Look at that.
He's a good one.
That's a pretty fish. They got pretty fishes in here.
They do. Oh, come back here, you little spiky thing. Put your spikies down. Ow!
Say no, we're the best defenses. They're mean little shits. Stroke them down. Yeah, you got a bad chance of that.
Yeah, every time.
Looky there, everybody!
You get a picture real quick?
Yeah, I'm trying to. All right, hold her up there. Say, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
What is that, like 5th or 6th one?
5th or 6th.
The camera, no, but I'm pretty sure we're around about the right number.
I think you're right.
It's been a good day.
It has. I like this little pond. We'll definitely be coming back here.
Yeah, you see the big fish through the water getting on top looking at it, but they just don't go for it yet.
Big old carp right over there, guys. I don't know if y'all can see him.
He's gone now, ain't he?
No, I see him. Right there.
Oh yeah, he's up on around the moss.
Yep. He's a big one.
It's a waving.
I've seen a couple now. Oh, crossed my line. Oh well.
It happens.
It happens.
She got a big one. There we go.
Yeah, got a bass.
That's a pretty
Got a
one.
bass. He ain't crazy big, but he's good size.
Bigger than the bluegill. Yeah.
All right. That's a good one. Look at that baby. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. That was awesome.
Awesome.
All right then.
Something ain't right with her.
No. See it moving?
Yeah. Strike that motherfucker. Go and get it and just hit it once it starts moving. Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. See, it's coming all the way over to you.
You got it.
Oh, yeah. I knew it.
Good one.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Looky, looky.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Hold on, big guy. You're getting wrapped up in my other one.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
God.
Oh, my.
Look at that one.
What are you thinking about today now?
Oh, it's awesome.
Carl, I'd say that's the best looking fish of the year.
Oh, yeah. All right, big guy. Look at what a mount. There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh! Crap. I gotta get these two untangled. All right, yeah, I've got to get him. Get that one restrained. I knew something had it. What have I got?
You got something? You got fish?
I do.
Yeah.
I got another one. Ooh. This has been an awesome day fishing. Look at that one.
That one's got blue to it. It looks good.
Oh, it's pretty. It's got purple. This side of him. You can see better on that side of him.
Oh, there is purple on that.
All right. I
Yeah,
think, guys,
yeah.
that one is a good one to call it the end of the day on. All right. Well, guys, we're done for the day. We had an awesome day fishing. Thank you, Christina, for letting me come and fish in your pond. We caught all kinds of awesome fish, and I can't wait to come back in the next day or two. And right now, we're going to go home, and I'm going to cook some supper for the kids and relax for the rest of the day and get ready for work tomorrow. But I will see you on a couple days. Love y'all. Peace.